Anthropic just shipped managed agents, and I think this is the bit most people are going to miss.
Because this isn't another chatbot feature. This is a way to build autonomous AI specialists that connect to your actual tools, pull your actual data, and give you recommendations grounded in real numbers. So now I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started building agents using this new feature. I will build a newsletter growth agent, connect it to my Beehiiv account, and let it analyze my last 30 days of subscriber data. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes. Right, let's crack on.
So this is the Claude console. You can see managed agents in the sidebar here, marked as new. I'm starting in the Quickstart tab because this is the fastest way to get an agent running. I'm telling it what I need in plain English. I run a newsletter on Beehiiv. I want agents that can help me grow my subscriber numbers. That's it. No YAML, no configuration files, just the outcome I want. And look what it's done. It's drafted the entire agent configuration. It's named it Newsletter Growth Agent, picked the model, written the system prompt, and defined the toolset. The system prompt is actually good. It's positioned the agent as a newsletter growth specialist, told it to ground recommendations in real subscriber metrics, and set it to prioritize tactics by expected ROI. Okay, the agent has been created. Now it's telling me this is a reusable, versioned config. It doesn't run on its own. You spin up sessions when you want to put it to work. It's also flagged that Beehiiv doesn't have an MCP server yet, but if I have a Beehiiv API key, it can pull live data, which I do. Right. Next step is the environment. This is the cloud container where your agent's tools run. It's asking whether the agent needs internet access. I'm picking unrestricted because this agent needs to reach the Beehiiv API. Okay, so the environment's set up. Now I'm telling it I have the Beehiiv API key, and let's see what happens. It's asking me how I want the agent to use that API key. Fetch subscriber and analytics data, or full read and write access. I'm going with fetch for now. Read only. I want to see what it can do with my data before I give it write permissions. Look at the config panel on the right. The system prompt has been updated automatically. It's baked in the Beehiiv API, told the agent to use web_fetch with the correct authorization headers, and instructed it to pull subscriber counts, growth trends, campaign performance, all from a conversation. It's asking whether I want to bake my Beehiiv API key into the agent's system prompt for testing, or test without it first. I'm adding the key now. API key and publication ID are locked in. Session is live. Right, this is the test. I'm asking it to analyze my subscriber growth over the last 30 days and give me 3 high-leverage actions. This is where we will see whether it's going to churn out some useful stuff or just generate generic marketing advice. The agent is working. You can see the session running on the left and the transcript building on the right. It's calling the Beehiiv API right now to pull my actual subscriber data. While that's running, I'm asking it something else. Can managed agents actually automate newsletter growth? Can it take action, not just advise? Because that's the question, isn't it? The difference between a clever chatbot and a useful system. And here's the report. Look at this. It's pulled my actual numbers. Not very impressive, I know, but that's why I need AI's help. This is my real data, not a template, not generic advice, my actual newsletter performance. And the analysis is spot on. It's saying my content quality is strong. It's actually referencing my article titles, but the distribution infrastructure is nearly empty. That's a fair take. The pipeline is there, but I'm not using it. Okay, it's given me 3 prioritized actions. Launch the referral program properly. It's enabled, but nobody knows about it. That's true. Scale Beehiiv Boost spend. It's a proven channel I'm under-investing in. And lastly, turn my best posts into social subscribe funnels on LinkedIn. Each one has specific, actionable steps, actual tasks with estimated effort and expected impact. And it's given me a priority matrix. Add referral call to action to the next newsletter I send. 30 minutes, high impact. Increase boost budget, 5 minutes, medium to high impact. Post top article as LinkedIn thread, 45 minutes, high impact. That's a Monday morning to-do list, not a generic strategy deck. Now look at the response to my automation question on the left. It's explaining what managed agents can do end to end. Scheduled growth reports on a cron job, automated post drafting, subscriber re-engagement, referral monitoring. And it's explaining how the API integration works. Post to create sessions, web_fetch to call Beehiiv's API, stream results back. The key point here, the agent has write tools. Bash, web fetch with post and put, so it can create drafts, update subscriber tags, trigger Beehiiv API actions. You set the goal and it executes. And there it is, people. Newsletter, growth agent. Active, sitting in my agent's dashboard. System prompt, model, tools, permissions, all configured.
So that's managed agents, from a one-line description to a working growth specialist, connected to my live Beehiiv data in about 5 minutes. I think the shift here isn't about the technology. It's about what this means for how marketers operate. You're not just asking AI for advice anymore. You're building specialists that know your data, understand your context, and can take action on your behalf. That's a different kind of leverage. If you like this video, subscribe below to make sure you don't miss the next one. Cheers and see you next time.